Reduplications. What are reduplications? Well, they are two-word, special sing-songy words that repeat and often rhyme. Reduplications are very similar to baby talk. Mama, dada. In reduplications, the two words are almost the same, but they just change one little part. Change the vowel or change the consonants. Think flip-flops or ping-pong. Get it? Let's look at some popular reduplications with examples. Hobnob. He's very poor, but he gets to hobnob with the rich and famous. Hush, hush. Don't tell anyone. This project is hush-hush. Pooh-pooh. He heard the proposal, but pooh-poohed the idea. Fancy pants. Don't hang out with her. She's a fancy pants. She thinks she's so good. Nitwit. He's an idiot, a stupid nitwit. Crisscross. When jumping rope, crisscross your arms. Girly girly. They are very effeminate, very girly girly. Riff-raff. He usually goes first class, but today has to sit with the riff-raff. Seesaw. The elephants are riding and playing on the seesaw. Teeny weeny. The note he got was written on a teeny weeny piece of paper. Flip-flop. She keeps flip-flopping. She can't decide if she should marry him. Knickknacks. He has a lot of knickknacks on his desk. Zigzag. The coach made them do running drills where they zigzagged. Hocus-pocus. There are a lot of hocus-pocus cures for autism out there. They are all fake. Topsy-turvy. The world changes fast. It's so topsy-turvy nowadays. Willy-nilly. They ran willy-nilly and helter-skelter around the apartment. Walkie-talkie. He turned on his walkie-talkie so he could speak with his commander. Yum-yum. The pizza is so delicious. Yum-yum. What's your favorite reduplication in English? Let us know in the comments which one really twists your tongue. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to help support our channel. Bye-bye.